Are you looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle? It's important to remember the vital role that vitamins and minerals play in supporting your overall health. These essential nutrients are crucial for various bodily functions, including immune system support, energy production, and maintaining strong bones and teeth. Incorporating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and dairy products can help ensure that your body receives the necessary vitamins and minerals it needs to thrive. Taking a daily multivitamin can also supplement any nutritional gaps in your diet. Prioritizing your intake of these essential nutrients will contribute to maintaining a healthy lifestyle and supporting your overall well-being.